tell you what God did.
Speed it up! In the beginning, the light of the world, unestablishing life as we know. Created by deforming features to tell us apart, but his image is